All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're talking new tools. All right, it's been a while since I've done one of these videos, so I figured I'd show you what I've gotten recently. And some cool stuff, some useful stuff. Maybe you'll like them. Now, the newest addition is this Astro Model 209 cutoff tool. It is, unlike a conventional straight one, it's offset, kind of like a grinder. It's adjustable speed, so you need to go faster, it goes faster. It needs to go slower, it goes slower. Have not had a chance to use this yet. Part number is 209 by Astro Pneumatic, and you guys know I think Astro Pneumatic makes some really good tools, so thought it'd be a good thing to add another tool of destruction in my arsenal. It is made in Taiwan, just FYI. After I get to use it for a while, I'll give you an update on it, but as of this point, I haven't needed to cut nothing. But very cool tool. Think it'll come in very handy. All right, next one is by IPA, Innovative Products of America. Part number is 8005, and it is Fuse Saver. Now, in case you don't know what this is, it is basically a fuse tap and several different circuit breakers. What this allows you to do is when you're looking for a short, to have a circuit breaker in the line instead of having to buy fuses and stuff like that. You know, quick, easy, reset it, keep testing, trying to find your short. So, nice little handy tool. If I can remember to link it, I will link a video where Erico used it in one of his videos. All right, the last one. Now, this is a Matco branded tool, but it is not made by Matco. It is made by Lyle, and it is a master line stopper kit, and it's made by Lyle. Basically, you have pinch pliers, which, truth be told, are about useless. You got these little stopper tools, which you can put on like transmission lines, stuff like that. Pretty cool. But what I really like are these. Now, this is not what comes with the kit. This quantity, I added a bunch. They're basically rubber stoppers. You plug stuff off. Comes in really handy when you're trying to stop a line from leaking, or today I was using it to test an evap system, plugged off the vent hose, test for leaks. I really like these. Now, I'm sure most of you guys, you get a part in, it's got the little plastic caps on them, you know, like these. They do okay, but they tend to pop off pretty easy with any amount of pressure. And yeah, they're cheap because you're free because you get them, you know, with a part or whatever, but they're not really good. These are so much better. They're flexible and they seal well. And I've been really impressed enough that I ordered extras. So I'm waiting for a few more to come in, but they've got several different sizes, plug off various different lines. They're flexible, so you can shove it onto a, power steering line, plug it off. They work really well. I will link the actual Lyle tool in the description. Get it on Amazon. If you want to buy it on the tool truck. Now, if you want to buy it on the Matco truck, it is MLS 700. But again, I will link the Lyle one in the description so you can get it cheaper. But again, I had the Matco guy get me a bunch of extra fittings, so that kit's a little bit bigger than what originally comes with. Cool stuff. The cutoff wheel and the fuse saver kit will come in handy. This has come in really handy for me. I really am happy I bought this. Definitely a cool addition to plug off lines so you don't make a mess. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.